Hey guys, today I thought it'd be fun to do a little get ready with me and then also share kind of a little update. This is our room, this is where I'm getting ready today. Our master bathroom's over there, and then this is my closet, which yesterday I worked so hard on trying to actually put things away. So it's kind of coming together a little bit. I thought I would show you guys what I'm going to pick out to wear today. It's not completely organized yet. I still have a few more things I want to do in here. And then I'm going to go ahead and do my hair and makeup, and I just thought it would be fun to bring you guys along, and that way you guys can see some updates of kind of what's going on, where I'm putting stuff in our new house. Today I don't really have a whole lot of important stuff I have to do. I'm getting ready to go to a doctor's appointment, and then I'm probably just gonna come home, clean, unpack some more since we just moved. So I think I'm just gonna wear something really casual to my doctor's appointment. I've been wearing this white Adidas sweatshirt like crazy lately, and I just washed it, so I think I'm gonna wear probably that today since I'm gonna be pretty casual, and then maybe I'll just wear these little Adidas sneakers with some jeans. I've just been keeping all my jeans in this big bin, so I gotta find a pair that I wanna wear, and of course the one I wanna wear is way down here. Before I do my hair and makeup, I'm probably going to go ahead and get changed because I'm just in my robe and slippers right now. So I'm going to go ahead and change, and then I'm going to head on into the bathroom. But really quick, I did want to show you guys, we did get a king size bed. We don't have the bed frame, we just got the mattress and the box spring for now because we have no idea what we want to do in this room yet. We might paint. I have no idea what we're doing in here. So for now, this is what we have. But I'm going to go ahead into the bathroom, and if you guys saw our house tour, whoa. Guys, I look really scary right now. If you saw our house tour, you already saw our bathroom. So this has actually been a little bit of an adjustment. This is where I'm going to be getting ready today. But it's just been weird because if you guys saw at our old house, I had a really big closet and I had a desk where I had all my makeup and hair stuff, and that's where I would always get ready. So it's just been different. I'm getting ready like in the bathroom like a normal person now. So yeah, this is where I'm going to be getting ready today. Alright, so as you guys can tell, I desperately need to put some makeup on. And I'm sorry it's a little echoey in here because I am in the bathroom. But I am going to be getting ready with all of the new stuff that I got in my BoxyCharm box this month. So I'm going to be using my regular products that I always use, and then I'm just going to incorporate some of the really cool new stuff that I just got. And I've been using all this for the past week, like every single day, and I love it, so I can't wait to share it with you guys. And for those of you that don't know what BoxyCharm is, it's a monthly beauty subscription box. It comes to your house once a month, and you get over $100 worth of products for like 21 bucks, and you get full size, really nice products. I always love everything that I get. Everything in this box retails for well over 100 bucks, and it's really nice quality products like Dr. Brand. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys everything as I'm getting ready, but it's really, really nice stuff. So if you guys are interested at all, I do have a sponsored link down below in my description box. It'll take you right to the site and show you guys all the different options for ordering and things like that. And the more months you do sign up for, like, the better deal you get. But it's really awesome and a really affordable way to try out really high quality makeup. The first thing I always like to do is moisturize my face, and lately I've been using this MAC Studio Moisture Fix. I've been using this lately just because I do have really oily skin. Even in the winter, like, it's just, I don't know, it just gets really oily. It's really annoying. So I've been using this on my face lately, and I feel like it's helped a little bit maybe. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to use that came in my BoxyCharm box is by Dr. Brandt, and it's called Pores No More Luminizer Primer. So when I saw this, I got very excited because I haven't even been using a primer lately, and I have felt lately that my pores just look so disgusting and huge, and I've been using this for the past week and I love it. And when I saw Luminizer, I was getting a little bit worried because I thought it was going to make me look really shiny or shimmery or something, and it doesn't do that at all. The next thing I'm going to do is just go ahead and put on my foundation, and I've just been using this L'Oreal Visible Lift. Been using this stuff for years and I can't stop. Guys, I've used the expensive stuff. I always go back to this for some reason. Every time. For years. I've been using it for probably like 10 years, and I love it. I kind of just want to keep my makeup really light and fresh today too, just because I'm not going to be doing anything too dressy or crazy since I'm just going to the doctor and then probably coming back home and making dinner and cleaning up the house and stuff like that. So nothing too crazy today. And for those of you wondering why I'm going to the doctor, for some reason I just have really weird red spots all over my body. Thankfully they are not on my face, they're on my hands, but just like I'm just covered, like under my clothes I'm just covered in little red spots. I don't know if it's because I recently changed my detergent when we moved or what. So I don't know what it is, but that's why I'm going to the doctor. Also, I did want to mention to you guys that this Dr. Brandt product retails for $38. So just to get your box for $21 for the whole entire month, you get this and then also a few other items. It's just an amazing deal. I'm gonna put my eyebrows on now. This is like the one thing that I feel like I just can't leave the house without my eyebrows, just because my eyebrows are just pretty messed up. I've been using castor oil on them for the past month, but then when we moved and stuff, I kind of got out of the habit of it. In the BoxyCharm box this month, they sent this brow powder. It's a universal brow pencil, so I think it's supposed to just match like anybody's brows. I don't know how that works, but it says universal. So it's by It Cosmetics and it retails for $24. And it says it was developed with plastic surgeons. They do send this little card in your BoxyCharm box too. Hi.
Oh, I didn't know you're filming.
Yeah.
Hi everyone. Just walked in on Abigail filming.
This is where we get ready.
I'm going back to work.
Who wants to make an appearance now? Hey, hi, buddy. Oh.
Hello, everybody. See you later, dude.
Just a mess.
All right, come on. Come on, dude.
So as I was saying, the BoxyCharm box does come with this little card, and it does give you all the information of all the products. It tells you the actual retail price of it. It gives you some tips on how to use it and stuff like that. So that is pretty helpful. This brow power. I've actually been using this too for the past week and I like it. I've been really stuck on this L'Oreal brow pencil lately, but I don't know. I'm kind of liking this one. This is probably the best brow pencil or brow product that I think I've ever gotten in a BoxyCharm box that I'll actually continue to use. And I also do love that it has a spoolie on this side, because that just doesn't happen all the time. So I really like that, because I always use that whenever I do my eyebrows. And next, to set under my eyes, I use this every single day, and this is actually a product that I got in BoxyCharm a few months ago. This is by Bare Minerals, and it's just kind of, it has like a little translucent powder in here, so I like to always use this to set under my eyes. There's also a shimmery one in here too, but I never really use that one. I just use the regular one. I'm gonna do my eyes next. And this is the only product in the BoxyCharm this month that I was a little like, I don't know. I wasn't like too excited about it. So this is by Crown, and it's called Glam Metals Palette. So the retail price of this is $25. And I mean, it does look like a really nice palette. It's called Glam Metals. I don't know if I said that already, but it has like a little guitar for a mirror on it right there. All the colors are super, super shimmery. I think every single color is shimmery except for the black. I guess I'm going to try it, because that's what I'm doing in this video. It's trying things out. Because I'm going for a more natural look today, I don't even know which one to use. I mean, they're really, really pigmented if you like really shimmery colors. Like really pigmented, so that's nice. I guess I'm just gonna use this color Glam Rock down here at the bottom. It's just kind of a brown color. I guess that's not that bad. Normally, I just put a little bit of eyeshadow in my crease lightly, and then I'm good to go. So I feel like it's a little bit dark, but it's really not bad. I just used like one color just to try it, but I'm probably honestly never gonna use this palette again, just because I don't ever wear stuff like this ever. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop on my eyeliner and mascara, and then I'll come back to you guys in a minute. I've shown this so many times in past like get ready with me videos, so nothing's changed with this. So I have my eyeliner and my mascara on now. I'm just gonna do a little bit of contouring with this. It's just like a liquid contour, I think. I got It's by Temp 2 in a summer box. But I really like using it. So this was another BoxyCharm item. I literally never have to buy makeup anymore because I just get everything in my BoxyCharm box. Sometimes I like to do a little bit more of an intense contour, but since today, like I said, I don't have a lot going on, I'm just gonna throw a little bit of this on. And sometimes I like to use my beauty blender, and then other times I'll just buff it out with my foundation brush. And then I am going to go over with this contour palette that came in a BoxyCharm box. It's by Abbye Beauty, and I really need a new contouring palette, so kind of hope BoxyCharm does another one again soon, because this one was from quite a few months ago and I'm almost out, but I loved it. And then the next product that came in my BoxyCharm box was by Pure Cosmetics, and it's called Bronze and Brighten, and it has a little mirror, and then it has 3 really pretty colors in here for highlighting, contouring, just using as blush. So they're all very shimmery, so I gotta be kind of careful with it. But this does retail for $34. Today I think I'm just going to use the blush that's in here with my brush that came in a BoxyCharm box recently. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use the blush one. It looks like it's really pigmented, so I'm gonna kind of be careful with it. Ooh, it does look very pretty though, I like it. But this highlighter, I did try that the other day, and that was really pretty too. Super pigmented, but I kind of wanted to just try the blush today. And the last product that came in my box was by Grande Cosmetics, which I had never heard of before, but it's a hydrating lip plumper. So anything that's gonna be really hydrating on my lips, of course. I love around this time because in the winter my lips just get very dry. But it also says it's a lip plumper. So I did try this out the other day, and the only thing is it's just really hot pink. So what I do, I just use the tiniest bit. Like, I just dab it, and then I just kind of rub it a little bit on the top and bottom, just so, because I think if I were to really go over my lips would be super hot pink. So I just like a little bit of color on my lips there. And this product retails for $27. And I feel like lip plumpers are so popular right now, so I really like it. It seems pretty cool. So it says it's supposed to make your lips like actually really way plumper after 30 days. That's what it says on the box. So I don't know, that's kind of cool. So maybe if I just continue to do my little dab every day, my lips will be plumper. And then last but not least, I'm going to spray my face with my Urban Decay setting spray. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair now. So for my hair today, actually this is kind of what I do every single day. I'm not gonna get too in detailed with my hair today because I do have a couple hair tutorials of my hair using this heat straightening brush. I have really thick, naturally curly hair, so I love this brush. It gets really hot. It's just like super dirty right now. But a lot of other brands have come out with these brushes now. I'll leave links to both these things down below. But I love this thing. It's just awesome. Check out my hair tutorial where I use that and you guys can get some more information on this. And this is just my old trusty here. This is a Hot Tools iron that I've had for probably over 5 years. It just gets really hot, and this is an 1.5 inch iron. A lot of you have been asking me about the curl that I've been putting in my hair lately, and this is the iron that I use. So it's an 1.5 inch. It's awesome. I love Hot Tools irons. I just think they're the best. Oh my gosh, how precious is this? New king size bed, and he's taken over. Hi, baby. Hi, are you comfy? Oh, you are very comfy. So this is my completed makeup, hair, outfit. We haven't brought over our full-length mirror yet, so I would show you in the mirror. It'd probably be a lot easier, but it's still at the other house. So I ended up adding this cute little beanie cap that I got at the Nordstrom sale. It was like $8 or $9. So I'll try to leave my entire outfit linked down below. Yeah, I just have these white little sneakers on with my jeans, my sweatshirt, and then I thought my hat matched my bag. So yeah, I'm all ready to go. I think he's really gonna miss me while I'm gone. I don't know, or maybe he's just gonna take a nap there. So I gotta head out to my appointment. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are looking for any other information about my outfit, about my makeup, about my hair, I'm gonna leave everything down below in the description box. Comment below, let me know what you guys thought of this kind of video and what you guys wanna see next. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you really soon in the next video.